celery salt, really easy. All you need is some celery, you need some sort of grinding pot, and you need a baking tray. It's really as simple as that, and an oven set at its lowest temperature. So the first thing we do is get this all chopped up into really fine pieces. I've washed the celery beforehand. And you want to chop up about as much as you're going to be able to use spread out on a baking tray, so not too much at a time, unless you've got more baking trays. And then we transfer that to the baking tray like that, and then you just spread it out. If you've got an air fryer, set it on the lowest setting and run it through your air fryer for about an hour. It works a little bit faster in an air fryer, I've found, but spread it out like this so you've got it as flat as possible and as spread out as possible on your baking tray. And then all we need to do now is stick that in the oven at the lowest setting for about 1.5 to 2 hours, longer, or as long as it takes, because you want this to be really dry and parched. So I'll show you that once that's done. So after all that, we are left with very small amount, or so it seems, of really parched celery. Now what we do is we transfer that to a grinder and grind it up. So there you are, we grind it up to a fine dust, and that fine dust is celery salt. Let's have a little taste. I'll take a taste out of here. Slightly sweet, definitely salty, and a perfect salt it's particularly good with hard-boiled eggs. And I also like to add it, it's a prominent salt to be found in Cajun seasoning and in other barbecue seasonings, because it imparts such a great, wonderful, stocky type flavour to whatever you add it to. So there you go, celery salt. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.